Hey, it's Golam BT and welcome to today's video. So today's video is yet another makeup inspired by different characters. So yeah, and today we'll be doing Eijiro Kirishima from My Hero Academia. I actually did Todoroki and Spider-Man till now, so for those of you who haven't seen it, make sure to check it out. Kirishima would be my 5th favorite character. I'm not a big Kirishima fan, although I do think he's adorable and everything. Still, now let's get on with the makeup. Yeah, so back to what I was saying, like I'm not a big fan of Kirishima, although I don't hate him. Why am I putting this much foundation? I have no clue, but it's way too satisfying for me to stop. So I'm gonna just like finish the whole thing. Yeah, that's enough. That's a lot too. I'm gonna put some concealer after this and then I'll see you guys. Alright, so I'm done with the concealer and I have this like kind of I have this like kind of idea. I'm gonna go ahead with like red eyeshadow towards here and then black here and then blend them both together like at the crease. Yeah, I feel like I've been using my red eyeshadow a lot. It's gonna get like finished. I got this palette like when I came here, that is like 3 to 4 months ago. March, like April, May, June. Yeah, 3 months, probably 4 months. Yeah, 4 months ago, and then the red shade is already getting finished. It's because I use like red a lot, like really a lot. So yeah, I have actually no idea like what to do for him, since I think I told this before, but I'm gonna say it again. His quirk isn't like anything flashy or anything. Like for decos, you like see green kind of that kind of lines, but for Kirishima, you can't see anything like that. For Bakugo, you can draw explosions. For Icy Heart, you can draw. Okay, I meant Todoroki, alright? Okay, wow. Yeah, for Todoroki, you can like draw flames and eyes. You get my point, right? So yeah, his quirk isn't anything flashy, so I have no idea what I'm gonna do. Let's hope this like crease thing works out. Alright, so I'm done. This actually looks a bit okay. I'm not really like happy with how this turned out. This wasn't what I imagined. This one looks a bit too long and this one looks a bit too dispersed, is that the word? But then I actually kind of like messed up, like this went a bit more down and then this went currently, so that's why I decided to like spread it more downwards towards here. But now I feel like a bit more like Bakugo. Yeah, for some reason I do. I tried fixing it as much as possible, but yeah, I'm gonna just leave it like this. And then I went ahead with some leftovers which I had in my brush and then just filled in here. Yeah, I don't know what kind of look I'm gonna go with the eyeliner for him, since now it's already like very black and all. So yeah, I didn't want to make the black much darker since I felt like the eyeliner won't be seen. So yeah. Alright, so I don't know how many of you all noticed that Kirishima actually has a scar like here. I did notice it before, but I thought it was like over the eyebrow or something, so I didn't think much of it. But now since I have this, I feel like if I drew the scar over it, it wouldn't make any sense. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the scar here a bit. I don't have any space there, right? I'm going to see what I can do, and then I'm going to continue the scar with like here a bit more down. Actually it isn't there like that. It's only like upper lid there is a scar, but I'm going to continue it here too. So yeah, I'm gonna do it with some concealer and see what I get. Alright, so I drew the scar. It actually looks a bit weird, but on camera it looks a bit weird, but on like when I'm seeing it like in the mirror, in real life it actually looks pretty cool. I don't know why, I've always like loved the thought of having a scar for some reason, like especially on the face. Like imagine if you had like an X like kind of scar. here. So cool. I don't know, I just love that idea, and it looks pretty nice, pretty okay. So yeah, next up is the eyeliner. I'll be doing it in the end, but I've got to like draw his mask. He has like this kind of mask over here, like here I guess. I'm gonna try and draw that. I swear on camera it looks like I have to like fill this in, but in real life I don't know where I'm supposed to fill it in. But it actually looks pretty cool. I'm actually pretty proud of how this turned out. It looks pretty cool, won't lie. But I liked it more when it was only an outline. I forgot to record it, but when like I drew the outline with just like black eyeshadow, I was just outlining it. First I drew it with concealer, and then after it was done, then I drew it on top, drew on top of it with a black eyeshadow, and that actually looked very cool. Yeah, but anyways, this actually looks pretty nice. I feel very manly, womanly. Huh? Okay, anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna try and fill this in as much as I can more. Yeah, and then I'll be back. I feel like I'm having a beard or something. Okay, anyways, so I guess we're kind of done. Well, kind of, I didn't say we're fully done. Okay, yeah, the scar isn't that visible, right? You can only see it here, you can see the ones here. Yeah, I guess I kind of like might have blended it in a bit by mistake. Alright, I'm gonna go do the liner. Alright, so I had this like idea kind of thing that if if Kirishima was a girl, she would have put red lipstick. Yeah, I know it looks a bit weird, but I feel like after like changing the hair outfit and all, it might look good. Like the thing is, the eyeshadow and the lipstick is not matching, so that's why it feels a bit weird, and here also it looks a bit weird, but it's alright. I'm actually happy with how this turned out. So great work. I didn't put mascara yet, so I'm gonna just go ahead and do that. But the liner part, I actually messed up with the liner, but the thing was, I don't think it looks that bad, but like both of the lashes look very different and weird, I would say. But you get the point, right? I actually thought about like doing like my eyeliner from here. So then I started, when I was like doing this eye, I started like that itself, and then it ended up being a bit bad. So then I tried to fix it by adding like different spikes for some reason, and then it looked pretty good. But then I tried to do the same thing on the other eye, but it didn't end up looking good. I added spikes on the other eye too, but still it isn't looking that good. But I'm fine with it. I actually managed to get some concealer on my lashes, so now the mascara isn't like quite working for some reason. It's like very light. Come on. Okay, so yeah, here's it done. But now I'm gonna go and tie my hair, put on my costume. I'm pretty sure everything's done over here. And oh wow, I actually feel like what is that girl's name? There's like this superhero who has like these kind of things. It's not Wanda. It's not Sylvie from Loki, if you guys haven't seen it yet. Yeah, Wanda is Scarlet Witch, so it's not that. I think it's someone from DC. Wonder Woman? Maybe? I don't know. So I like, after I remove my hair, I'm reminding myself of someone who I don't even like know, kind of. So yeah, I'm gonna give this look an 8. I'm happy with how this turned out, but I don't feel like I could have made it much better, but I'm happy with how this looks. So yeah, an 8. And now I'm gonna start on like rating all the looks by the end. For the Todoroki one, with my memory, I'm gonna give it a 9. Like, there were some things wrong with that, but it was still nice. The Spider-Man one, Spider-Man 1 gets a 6. I wasn't that happy with how it turned out, but it was okay. A 6 or a 7. A 6. A 6 is better. So yeah. So I'm gonna start rating these from now on. So I look very manly. I feel very manly. So yeah. That's a lot of manlies, but okay. Well, that's Kirishima for you people. I want to do one of my favorite Kirishima lines. That is, I'm not wearing a mic right now, so I hope it's not a problem, but okay. That is, I hate that was such a manly exit. Yeah, that one. Alright, right. I hate that was such a manly exit. Okay, wow. Yeah, that's alright. Okay. And then there's like this one where, wow, that doesn't sound very heroic. Yeah, I guess that's line I forgot about it, but yeah. Anyways. Okay. So there's Kirishima for you people. This is the closest thing I could find to what I thought he would wear. So yeah. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So make sure to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this, and hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and comment down below which type of videos I should do more. I actually posted a poll on my community post a few weeks ago, and I asked you guys which kind of videos you like to see more, and a lot of you said yes to the at-home vlogs, and I'm really glad, since that kind of videos I actually love recording it, and I try my best not to make it that boring too. But sometimes it ends up being boring since I won't be doing anything much special or anything. So yeah, I also like filming videos like inspired makeup and all. So just let me know which character you want me to do next, which type of videos you want me to do more. If you have any video suggestions, my DMs are open. Comments, you can just do it. Please, it would mean a lot. And I'm doing this July Beats thing right now, so I don't have a lot of ideas. So it would really mean a lot to me if you guys just shared some of your ideas. So yeah, which kind of videos do you watch? Do you like to watch? Just let me know. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. So till we meet, #Midtime.